Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best flat rocks is probably one of the most versatile craft materials out there, perfect for unleashing your inner artist. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these smooth, natural stones offer endless possibilities. From painting vibrant designs to creating unique garden art, the only limit is your imagination. Join me as we dive into the world of flat rocks and discover why they're a must-have for any creative project. Number 5. Droaful Acrylic Paint Pens, Dual Tips, 20 Colors. These Droaful acrylic paint pens come with two tips, a brush tip for broad strokes and a fine tip for detailed work. They make it easy to create art with precision and efficiency. You can use them for various projects. These pens feature high-quality ink that dries quickly, offers strong coverage, and resists fading. Unlike other pens, you don't need to shake or press them. Just open the cap and start creating. The unique nib design ensures smooth and even coloring. With 20 rich colors, these pens are perfect for any project. They work on various surfaces, including rocks, fabric, metal, and more. This allows you to explore your creativity on different materials. These pens are a great gift for anyone who loves art. The upgraded packaging makes them even more appealing. Whether it's Christmas or a birthday, they are sure to bring joy to your loved ones. The ink is non-toxic and meets safety standards, making it safe for both adults and children. It allows everyone to explore their creativity in a safe environment. We recommend adult supervision for children under 3 years old. If you have any questions, please contact us. We offer a 30-day refund and a 1-year replacement for quality issues. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. What we like. These pens feature both brush and fine tips, offering versatility for any project. They come in 20 rich colors, allowing for a wide range of creative expression. If you are looking for a comprehensive set of art supplies suitable for various surfaces and users of all ages, you should consider these. What people say. The rocks were the perfect size for painting. They are smooth and flat, which made them easy to paint on. The rocks were a great value for the price. Number 4. Painting Rocks 25 PCS 2 to 3 inch flat smooth. This set includes 25 river rocks, each measuring 2 to 3 inches. They are uniform in size, perfect for various painting needs and creating beautiful painted effects. Pay attention to the size. The rocks are easy to paint on, with smooth surfaces and edges that allow acrylic paint to glide effortlessly. It's great for markers and watercolors. You won't have to worry about scratching your hands. Unleash your imagination and creativity on these rocks to make each artwork unique and amazing. With enough creativity, ordinary stones can reflect a colorful world. These flat rocks are perfect for personal use or as a gift. Surprise your loved ones with family petroglyphs for a holiday gift. It's an ideal gift for your lover, little ones, and friends. These craft rocks can be used in various crafts. Painted rocks can be used as paperweights or home decorations. They can be placed in vases, gardens, or kept as pet stones. It's perfect for school or home projects. What we like. These rocks offer a smooth surface, making them easy to paint on. They are perfect for creating unique, handmade gifts. If you like to create personalized gifts or enjoy simple, engaging crafts, you should consider these. What people say. The size and thickness are ideal, the quality is great, and they're perfect for painting. The surface is smooth and very easy to work with. They take acrylic markers well. They are not chipped or broken. Number 3. Lifetop 120 PCS Painting Rocks, DIY Rocks for Arts and Crafts. These are 100% brand new, high-quality river rocks from Lifetop. They are flat and smooth, perfect for your next creative project. The rocks come in 3 sizes, medium, small, and tiny. This variety allows you to bring all your DIY ideas to life. The sizes are great for all kinds of rock art. These Lifetop painting rocks are hand-picked and have a smooth surface, making them easy to paint on. You can use acrylic paint pens to design them and then seal them with acrylic sealer. These rocks are not only fun to paint yourself, but also make a great gift. Get creative and share your art with loved ones. Everyone will love it. The package includes 120 painting rocks suitable for ages 15 and up. You'll receive a mix of sizes to get you started on your rock painting journey. What we like. These rocks come in multiple sizes, catering to diverse DIY ideas. They are flat and smooth, making them ideal for painting. If you are looking for a variety of sizes to accommodate different art projects, you should consider these. What people say. Smooth, perfect for painting. Nice natural color. These are perfect for our summer projects. We are going to make flowers in a gnome garden. The flatness is perfect what we are needing. They come in a good variety of sizes. The flatness is great for words or pictures. They are perfect for youth group to paint rocks. Smallish and flat definitely makes it easier to paint. They are smooth and vary in size and overall shape. Number 2. 10 PCS Extra Large River Rocks for painting. These are not ordinary landscaping stones. Each one is carefully selected and prepared for painting. They are flat, smooth, and the perfect size for your artwork. Each stone measures between 3.3 to 4.5 inches, providing a large surface area for your designs. This size is ideal for both experts and beginners. It allows you to create detailed paintings. These are real, natural river rocks, unpolished and multicolored. They come in various shapes and sizes, perfect for any creative project. You can paint whatever your mind imagines. These stones are perfect for painting and creating kindness stones. You can use them as paperweights or home decor. They can also be placed in vases or gardens. Whether you're creating mandala stones, pet rocks, or simply practicing your painting skills, this set has the perfect rock for you. Give them to friends or hide them for others to find. What we like. These stones are extra large and multicolored, offering a large canvas for your art. They are suitable for various crafts and purposes. If you have a passion for creating large-scale art or want to make a statement, you should consider these. What people say. The rocks are the perfect size for painting. They are smooth and flat, which makes them easy to paint on. The rocks were a great size and shape for painting. Number 1. ROCART 12 Extra Large Smooth River Rocks. Each rock has a flat, smooth texture. This allows for precise paint application without any rough patches. Brushes and pens glide effortlessly across the surface. These painting rocks are hand-selected and inspected. They meet high-quality standards. The consistent flatness and oval shape create a great balance. Each stone is between 4 and 5 inches long, providing ample surface area. It's perfect for artists who want to paint larger pictures or beginners who want more space. You can draw beautiful patterns and write heartwarming words on these rocks. Then, you can place them to bring warmth to others. It can also be used as a decoration. ROCART is committed to providing high-quality stones. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us. Our customer support is always available to assist you. What we like. These rocks have a premium smooth surface and fine texture, ensuring a great painting experience. They are extra large, providing ample space for detailed artwork. If you like to create detailed artwork or want a large canvas, you should consider these. What people say. The rocks were the perfect size for painting. They were smooth and easy to paint on. These rocks are great for crafting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.